Welcome. In front of me is a Poco C65, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my device. Now, just make sure whatever you want to capture on the screenshot is visible right now on your screen. And once it is, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You get this pop-up right here to signify that you have captured your screenshot, and after a moment it disappears. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application. Disregard the screen recording. So as you can see, it's visible under camera. Go back to the main page. We would normally be on the Photos tab, which you can see it is displaying our screenshot right here. But later on, if you want to find it, when you want to go back to the screenshot down the line in weeks, months, you can navigate to library, and hopefully we have a screenshot album. Nope, never mind. I take it back. We don't have a screenshot album. It saves screenshots strictly into the camera roll, which will be mixed up with basically all your photos, videos, and everything else that you capture. So it might be a little bit harder to find, unfortunately. But you can see it, it's right over here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.